Guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought new updates regarding PhD notification for spring semester 2022. So BIT Misra has given notification for PhD admission. These all are the important dates filling of online application form commences from 28th of October 2021. Application fee 2500 and for general and SC/ST have to pay 1500. Last date is 30th of November 2021. Then they will display the list of shortlisted candidates for written test or interview. That is on 6th of December 2021. Written test 14th December. Then date of interview of shortlisted applicant 15th of December 2021. In that there are two slots. First slot from then date of interview of shortlisted two slot. First slot from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and second slot from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then on 17th December they will declare the result and admission process start from 20 December. These all are the important instruction before applying for the program. You have to refer all eligibility criteria. Apply for one department only, means you can apply for only one department, not more than one. How to apply? You have to register for that and create user ID and password, and don't share the password with anybody. Then you have to eligible candidate must complete and submit the application form online only. There is no offline mode, so only you have to apply online. Then after applying and submit the application form, you have to pay application fee 2500 for general and OBC candidate and 1500 for SC/ST candidate. Minimum eligibility criteria they have mentioned. If you have ME, MTech, MSc Engineering, MArch, M Pharma, M Plan, MSc or MCA, MBA or equivalent degree in relevant branch, candidate following qualifications shall be eligible to in relevant branch from recognized university or institute with minimum 60% marks or 6 CGPA on 10 point scale in qualifying examination. Must possess BE, BTech or BS Engineering, B Pharma, B Arc, B Plan with minimum CGPA 80% or 8 CGPA with valid GATE score. Sponsored candidate must have minimum of 2 years of professional experience in addition to eligibility criteria. In addition, a sponsored candidate should have valid sponsorship for at least 3 years. Means in all A, B and C, if you have any one, then you can apply. For BE BTech, you must have valid GATE score, and a sponsored candidate must have 2 years of professional experience. In addition to that, you also have a sponsorship letter for at least 3 years. Relaxation will be given for SC/ST by 5%. Then fellowship available 25,000 limited number of institute research fellowship with fellowship amount 25,000 per month for first 2 year and 28,000 for next 2 year is available depending on the performance. The minimum marks required for JRF, IRF may vary across the department and shall be decided by appropriate committee. The IRF shall be awarded based on the performance in admission test, academic career and interview. PhD admission test is mandatory for candidate aspiring for IRF. And it has BIT Misra has different campuses, and in that fellowship are available in limited specialization. However, candidate can choose any specialization if he desires to pursue PhD in self-financed mode. So these all are the departments, and in that department there are various specialization. You have to select anyone as you have interest in anyone. Then departments offering PhD program, these all are the sponsorship. Where it has gone, you can see these all are the departments offering PhD program: architecture, planning, bioengineering and biotech, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil environmental, computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics communication management, mathematics, mechanical, pharmaceutical science and technology, physics, production and industrial engineering, remote sensing, space engineering and rocketry. So candidates willing to pursue PhD program in self-finance mode are free to choose PhD area as well as supervisor, department-wise possible research area and faculty specialization are available on institute website under department profile. Means you can select your possible research area, and in that area comes under which faculty, that is shown on department's profile in institute website. You can see that. You have seen that. Then selection procedure. You have to appear for an written test and interview. Based on that and academic career, you will be shortlisted, and who obtain the minimum requisite marks in written test will be considered for final preparation of result. Up to 20% of selected candidate for admission to respective department may be allotted to part-time candidate for admission depending upon their position in merit list. However, in departments such as management and architecture planning, the number of selected part-time candidates may be more than 20%. These all are the scheduled date. You can check. Total 100 marks question will be asked in written. Then written test for PhD program shall be multiple choice and or subjective type of question for 100 marks. 40 marks related to general and 60 marks for applied science domain and department specific, and for duration of 3 hours. The type of MCQ or subjective type of question will follow sample pattern of NET and GATE. Date of interview they will given 15th of December. Exemption from written test who have UGC, CSIR, TVT, BINC, ICMR, JRF and all other similar all India fellowship based on written test for PhD admission may be exempted from written test but have to appear for interview. These all are the documents you will need during document verification. Residential requirement. The residential requirement is essential to build the research atmosphere in the institute. The residential requirement for part-time candidates shall be minimum period of 1 year semester at the institute for the candidate having PG degree, and 2 continuous semester at the institute for candidate having BTech degree or bachelor degree. These all are the fee structure. Admission fee 5,000, infrastructure 20, cost money 10,000, registration fee 2,000, and these all are the payable at the time of admission. Then semester fee, full-time research scholar 20,000, part-time 20,000, sponsored part-time 40,000, and thesis submission fee 20,000. These all are the payment you have to pay in every semester. Then refund rules you don't have to take, and these all are the enrollment forms. Enrollment form you have to fill that if you require. So that's all. So if you have your master degree or BTech degree with valid GATE score, then you can apply, and they will provide you fellowship also. You can share with your friends who want to do a PhD program, and if you have not subscribed the channel, subscribe it as soon as possible.